Would you like to have the control of a pen and also create nice watercoloring effects? Drawing and painting with just one pen? That's possible because watercolor pencils are such a versatile medium. Now I want to show you our watercolor pencils, and they are so cool because you can use them like a normal pencil and draw and have the full control, but they are also water soluble, and so you can get nice watercoloring effects with them. We've got 3 different types of watercolor pencils. These are the most vibrant ones with a set of 48 watercolor pencils. I love the color range and the soft lead and use them mostly to create backgrounds or to add some detail to my work. As you can see, I've already swatched them on this sheet of paper, so you can see how they look if you use water to dissolve the pigment. The next type of watercolor pencils I want to show you are the full watercolor pencils. And as the name says it, they are really full of pigments and there's no wood around it. So you can see it if you look at this pencil, and it's so beautiful. I love it even if I don't draw and paint with them because they're pretty. Okay, and they come in 12 vibrant colors, and the cool thing about it is that you can also use them on dark paper because they're so highly pigmented. So the next and last types of watercolor pencils are very special. Our 12 tinted watercolor pencils, they do have a hint of graphite in them, and so they look very muted, and I love these natural colors for all floral and botanical motifs. As you can see, I've already laid down the colors to swatch them and to show you how they look like when we add water. We will add water now with our water brush. There's already water inside of it and we can go easily in and blend our colors. So this brush is perfect for traveling, and now you see how the pigment dissolves and the beautiful colors come to life. This is a wonderful violet, and this green is just perfect for all flowers. I really love it. If you add water, you see the real nature of these pencils and how to get watercolor effects when adding water. And this is why it's so important to do these swatches and also keep this together with your pencils to get an overview of your colors and create different color palettes for your paintings. This small brush symbol indicates that these are watercolor pencils and you can dissolve them with water. And this small color number, G2 or G2, you can see which color you already used or which color you've already swatched. In the next tutorial, I teach you the most essential techniques to start to draw with watercolor pencils. All 3 types of watercolor pencils are indicated with our design journey logo, which means that they are just perfect for beginners. Now it's time to get creative. Check out my free art class at STAEDTLER.com and let's create a beautiful poppy meadow with watercolor pencils only.